Hey, what is going on, everyone? This is Supreme Guru and you're looking at a video on the Samsung Gear Sport. So, let's get started. When you think of Samsung as a brand, you don't necessarily think sport, so that's why I'm here to delve a little deeper into the Samsung Gear Sport. Before we get into the nitty and gritty, let's start with the unboxing. We have some information on the side of the box with it being water resistant, built-in GPS, and we also have smart notifications. And on the back we've got your watch, your way, your health. Sounds very serious, doesn't it? Now let's get into the unboxing. I like the way Samsung do their boxes. It always seems like you're opening a present. There we have it, the Samsung Gear Sport. You have your information leaflet there. Now, I'm not going to bore you with the details, so let's just set that to the side. Let's see what we have next. And we have more little presents to open. Here we have a little charging dock and a little, oh, it's a strap, another strap. That's pretty cool. Okay, that's nice that they give that in the box. And as you can see there, this is size small. So I'm assuming on the watch itself, it's a size large. That's pretty cool. And here we have the charging dock with a micro USB cable, little rubberized thing on the bottom so that it sits nicely on your desk. And then we have the regular Samsung charging cable, which is the standard micro USB cable. Now for my favourite part of the unboxing, here it is, the Samsung Gear Sport. It looks fantastic, it's got a stainless steel body and it has a really solid build to it. It feels really nice. It looks better in person than what it does on this actual video. The watch band that comes with the watch is decent, but you can definitely shop around for different bands. I'll throw some suggestions down in the description section if you want to browse around. You can see here on the back, this is the heart rate monitor, which doesn't protrude too much and it feels okay once you put it on. It doesn't feel irritating in any way whatsoever. Now that we've got the unboxing done, I think it's time that we delve deeper into the Samsung Gear Sport. I absolutely love navigating through the watch with its rotating bezel. I don't know about you, but I think there's something so satisfying when you rotate the bezel, the menu glides through seamlessly. I don't know, maybe it's just me. There are some decent specs when it comes to the Gear Sport, starting with the 50 meter water resistance, which thankfully enough can also withstand salt water, which is definitely a thumbs up in my book. The display of this watch is definitely amazing and it makes it easy for you to read even in bright light. Hats off to you, Samsung, for that one. The Samsung Gear Sport uses Samsung's software, which is called Tizen OS. You can use this on an Android phone or also on an iPhone, which is pretty amazing. Doesn't have to be a Samsung, it can be an Android phone. I was using it on my OnePlus 5T, so there you go. The thing I really like about this here watch is that it has built-in GPS, so it means that you can go out running or you can go out walking and it can track basically your map of where you're going without having to carry your phone. That alone is like a big seller for anyone that is looking for a watch that is going to help them with fitness. This is definitely one to look at. Although this smartwatch is aimed at sport, it also is a smartwatch, so you are going to get notifications through to it. If you have never used a smartwatch before, then you have never been able to enjoy getting your notifications through to your watch and not having to look at your phone to see what it is. I like how the Samsung Gear Sport deals with the notifications and the way it is displayed on the watch. If I have a long notification, say for example a WhatsApp message, it is no longer cut off, which makes perfect sense. There's so many smartwatches nowadays still cut off long messages, which means you have to pick up your phone to read the rest of the message, which just doesn't make any sense in my book. So there you have it, guys. That is the Samsung Gear Sport. Thank you for watching my video. Until next time, peace.